Welcome back to Shaving Down Under unboxing, and this rocked up today. I'm not really sure what it is. I've got a suspicion, but to be honest with you, I'm not confident. So there's only one way to find out. Looks like it'd be easy to get the scissors. When in doubt, get the scissors or a hammer. A hammer can't fix it, nothing else will. Okay, I really don't know. I think I know what it is. I was wondering when this was going to arrive. This has been 2 months. Went DHL. DHL slow. Let's open it up. There we go. So this is, I think from the, let's just sort of say 1915. It was in that, around that teens years, the 1900s. So it's a ball end. Oh, it's all jammed in there. So we've got made in USA, as you can see. Bit of a ding there. Looks like it was dropped at some stage. Let's have a look at this handle for any cracks. I reckon there's one there. I don't know if it's going to show up on the camera. Yeah, definitely a very thin crack. Nothing down the bottom by the looks. So normally a razor like this wouldn't overtly excite me, but what did excite me was this little tin to hold the blades. So as it slide out, there you go. So I thought, this is why I bought it. If it didn't have this tin for the blades, I just would have ignored it. So, and I've never seen one like this before. Let's see if we get that to focus. Yeah, so pretty cool, I thought. It's called a surprise. A Gillette Surprise. I wonder why it was called a surprise. No. That's today's offering. And I can't get it to fit again. That is a tight fit. So look. And there's the case. Okay. Hope you found that interesting, and we'll have a chat soon. Ciao for now.